I'm sorry about the audio for this video. I will get it sorted for future videos. I just need to fuck around with the microphone and stuff. So I'm sorry. Hopefully it's not unwatchable, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy.
Thought I'd make a nice little a video of the trip, just because, why not? Testing out the new camera position. And I bought, so this isn't the helmet I'm sticking with. This is actually the my helmet I've had for over a year now, and I recently bought a new one. I'm just waiting for my confirmation that I can go collect it, so hopefully that'll happen sometime in the following week. And it's going to have a tinted visor and everything, so it'll look a lot nicer than this one, because this one's been dropped so many times and this one's on its last legs really. So even the mount I'm using for this right now is just like temporary. It's only a sticky pad, whereas I've bought, for the new helmet, I've bought a like a chin mount, so that it can strap onto the new helmet and be a lot more secure than this sticky mount, which is currently like half hanging off. I was gonna get myself like a cheap iPhone to go on it, because quad lock cases are expensive, and I have an iPhone as my main phone, so I thought, alright, I'll get an iPhone so they sync up well. But I realised that I'm going to be using these gloves with a phone screen, and I think I'd rather have a massive screen so that it's easier to like navigate and use while I'm riding. And I realised that you can get like a massive like Samsung for the same price as it would be to come get like an iPhone SE 2nd gen. So I chose to get a S20 Ultra because it's big, and even though it doesn't get updated anymore, like with major One UI and Android updates, it is a big phone, it's got a good battery life, and because it was the top of the line phone of its time 4 years ago, it's still good to, it's still probably way too overkill for what I'm going to be using it for, which is just Google Maps and Spotify on my bike. But that's fine, because then I know it's gonna, like, instead of buying like one of their budget phones for £200, I bought an S20 Ultra for £200, and it will perform better and last longer because it was the top line phone back then. I realised when editing my first video yesterday, there was so much for me singing that I just can't use because I just hate it so much. So last week I went to go to where I work on a day off, just because I had some stuff to do, and I had just filled up my bike, got around here, and my bike, oh, why is all the traffic there? Interesting. Never seen traffic there before. There must be some traffic lights or something. Interesting. Now I filled up my bike and it kept stopping, but the weirdest shit was that it would just stop producing power. Like I would just be going like 45 miles an hour, right? And then suddenly it just like makes like a bump feeling, and then it just would stop giving up power. The engine would still be running, I could still use the throttle and it would rev, but the actual bike would not go anywhere, and then it wouldn't turn back on. I turned it off, turned it back on, and it would start up again. Same thing would happen 5 minutes later. So then, and then it wouldn't start again, and I started pushing it home, which would have taken me hours. So, and then luckily it started again, and I decided to just go to a different place. And turns out I'd just overfilled my tank, which which to be fair, now that it's stopped doing it because it's emptied a bit, that's probably the best thing I probably could have figured out. Oh, there's a wallet. Thank you, Mr. Downton Delivers. Why did I read it like that? Can't see. Cool. Oh, first time I've actually had to stop here. I really like this little road here. It's very like scenic on a sunny day. I love like little tree tunnels like this. It's so nice. Oh, traffic lights. There's literally no one here. Why are you making us stop? But that was ultimately pointless. It's the police. But yeah, I'll probably continue this vlog after work. Oh, there's no other bikes here. There's like always 2 bikes here every day. So there being no bikes here is quite odd. Oh. Hello. My shift is over for the day. I've got tomorrow off, which is quite nice. But I just grabbed myself and my girlfriend a Subway, and I'm gonna go see her while she's on her shift because she's working till 11 tonight, I think. It's currently 6:30. Oh, and yeah, I'm gonna go see her while she's at work. Bring her a nice little dinner, some Subway, and we're gonna eat it together while she's on her break, because I thought that'd be quite nice. I felt like I wanted a Subway anyway, so I felt like bringing her a Subway would be quite nice. And yeah. I love when it's sunny. I could just have my hoodie, my jeans, my nice new bikes, and it's just comfy, it's warm, and I'm not soaking, I'm not wearing a big thick jacket. It's just so nice. I've also been thinking whether I should keep these on here. I really like the Pandas, but I also like the look of just a base bike. But I feel like these add like personalization. But at the same time, I feel like I should just have it just base like nice motorbike. I'm unsure. Oh, fuck this road, man. Bumpy ass road. Look at this shit, man. Oh. Believe it or not, a lot of people use this road, but it's always going to be like this. The fuck? Electrical cable below? It's been a little while since I've been here, so... Oh! Silver... These trees have grown damn fast. Oh, fucking learner driver. No, I know I've got L plates on too, but I'm not a learner. I just have to do it by law. You going left or right? Whichever one you go, I'm going the opposite. You're going left, I'm going right then. I shall go this way instead, good sir. Farewell to you. Oh, fuck me. That was a big bump, that's never been there before. Slow it on down here. There could be a sneaky pest around the corner. Could be a sneaky car coming zoom. The middle of this road is so gravelly, I hate riding on it sometimes. Because the wheels just start slipping. It slipped a bit there. And then when it gets overgrown like this, all the leaves and thorns and shit start hitting your leg, and it's like, well, what do you choose? Slippy tires or ouchy leg? Oh, I can't see that way, Jesus. Definitely gonna have to fuel up tomorrow. Now on 2 bars. Oh, annoyingly so. Alright, well, as I'm finishing off this ride, this shall conclude my riding for the day. It should end off this video here. And I hope to at least produce some decent quality content. And yeah, I will I'll probably maybe upload again tomorrow. I do have a TikTok under the same name. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.